Hi, Poor Boy here. Another quick video for you. Another knife video. I like to do the knife videos because seems that some gun guys are, I don't know. You knife guys are alright, man. You guys are awesome. I got 3 knife clubs, groups. My videos, they don't get as many views, but the guys are good. They always have nice comments. The AR guys, that's probably one of my favorite guns. I've been building ARs for 40 years. And I named them the 13 percenters. About 13% of AR guys are jerks. Just, you know-it-alls, gotta trash everything you got. Kind of big turn off, you know. So this is a knife from mid-later 90s. Barrel Industries. I don't know, I would say somewhere from about 95 to 97, 95, 96, maybe even earlier. It's got a pocket clip. It's aluminum handles. Serrated blade. This is Barrel Industries. Real nice, good looking blue. Nice color. Serrated pocket clip. Barrel Industries. Number 443. .443, maybe 445. I think it's 443. So, never heard much about this company. I saw them a couple of times way back then. That's it. Little warning card comes in there, and this is where it came new, not in a box or anything. Came in the envelope new. There's a warning. If you disassemble it, your warranty will not be any good. It's got some kind of limited lifetime warranty. There's the card. Again, it's never been carried or sharpened. It's a S7 tool steel. Okay. The steel in your DB1 is S7 tool steel, shock resistant. Premium grade steel, high compression strength, blah 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 blah. It is not stainless steel and is required in order to prevent rust to use a PVD, care to prevent rust. PVD titanium nitrate coating adds external hardness to the 75 to 90 C. Also aids in helping to keep your blade stainless, lubricated. It says F7, not stainless, has a PVD titanium nitrate coating that also adds to the hardness. So I guess my own fault many years ago. The funny thing is, the first year or two, I think I had it over here and a couple spots in there. It was getting spots of rust. So I think I sanded it off with something. Probably I don't know, super fine steel wool or something like that. Doesn't seem to have the kick of like a Rob Dalton or something like that, or a Paragon, you know. But it's more like comes out more like a Benchmade, you know. Comes out strong, secure, and locks up every time. like a Benchmade. You know, a Paragon, Rob Dalton, those snap out super hard. It's got, the back is enclosed, not like the Navy SEAL ones. It's got the pocket clip. It's a pretty blue. Yeah, I said pretty. On a nice auto knife, it's very pretty. It's 445 or 443. I think that was out of 500. So, to the best of my knowledge, there was the first 500 were made and numbered, and I'm not real sure. Some of them had titanium, the black titanium blades. I could have got one with a lower number, but the black titanium was extremely hard to see the number through it. So I thought this was nice. So I did kind of sand a little bit, or try to get I did get the rust off. Now that happened the first few years. Now it's 25 years later and it's never happened again. And it's never been oiled or anything. So that is, again, that's Barrel Industries. I saw something recently. I kind of think the originals are out of business. I kind of think they either only did the 500, run of 500, numbered them, or maybe one more run after that. No facts there. That's just from what I've seen. Back then I used to go to a lot of shows in different states, gun and knife shows, and I used to subscribe to a Switchblade magazine. So from the best of my knowledge, that's it. You know, it's still modern. It's you know, it's the blade is with the serrations, the pocket clip, the coil spring design. So again, I've been collecting knives for about 50 years, but I can always learn a lot, that's for sure. And you know, I'm showing it. Of course, if you know anything about it, if any of my information's wrong or you know something, please go on and say something, let me know. And again, this is Poor Boy Strapped YouTube. Thank you for your time. Over and out.